Photosynthesis is perhaps the most important process on the entire planet. Not only does it allow for plants to create food for themselves, it is also a major contributor to the natural source of oxygen on the planet. Plants are the first link of every food chain. That is, all organisms being heterotrophs depend on plants directly or indirectly for their food. The four components necessary for photosynthesis to take place are chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Photosynthesis primarily occurs in the leaves of the plant. Let us now look at the structure of the leaf that helps in putting these components together to prepare food. The leaf has an outer covering called the epidermis. On the leaf, there are small pores called the stomata that is surrounded by two kidney-shaped cells called the guard cells. The guard cells control the opening and closing of stomatal pore. Gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen, and water vapor move in and out of the leaf cell through the stomata. Below the epidermis, there is a layer of tightly packed cells called the palisade mesophyll cells, and below them are a loose layer of cells called the spongy mesophyll. The mesophyll cells contain a special organelle called the chloroplast. The chloroplast is the main center for photosynthesis. Inside the chloroplast, there is a fluid medium called the stroma and several coin-like structures called the thylakoid which contain chlorophyll pigments. The process of photosynthesis takes place in three parts. In the first part, absorption of light energy, photons, by chlorophyll takes place. In the second part, the absorbed light energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP and other high energy molecules. During this part, the water molecules in the leaves obtained from the roots use the light energy to split into hydrogen and oxygen. This breaking of water molecules using light energy is called photolysis of water. In the third part, ATP and other energy molecules help in the reduction of carbon dioxide to form glucose molecules and water. This reaction takes place in the stroma. The glucose molecules are stored in the form of long chain molecules as starch in the leaves, roots, and stem. Water vapor and oxygen are released from the stomata. The overall reaction of photosynthesis is 6 molecules of carbon dioxide combined with 6 molecules of water to produce 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. So the next time you eat rice, bread, pizza, or even some vegetable or fruit, remember the effort that a plant has gone through to make it. And when you breathe in the air containing oxygen, be grateful for the plants around us. Alright then, that's all for today. See you next time.